With the SalesIntel Marketo integration, you can now export contacts directly to Marketo and run data enrichment jobs. Here's how it works. The first thing you need to do is connect your Marketo instance to SalesIntel. First, log into SalesIntel, go to your name in the top right corner, and click Marketo Settings. Then in a second tab, open Marketo so you can access the endpoint, identity, client ID, and client secret you need to complete the setup. Simply go to Admin, select Web Service under Integrations, copy the endpoint and identity values, then go back to the SalesIntel tab and paste into the appropriate fields. Next, go back to Marketo and click LaunchPoint under Integrations. Click New Service, enter SalesIntel for the display name, select Custom as the service. For the description, enter SalesIntel Integration, then set yourself as the user who's configuring SalesIntel and Marketo as the API-only user. Finally, click Create, go to Details, and click Get Token. Then you'll be able to copy this information, go back into the SalesIntel tab, and paste the values for client ID and client secret. Now you can click on Test Connection in the SalesIntel Marketo settings screen. If the connection is solid, you will see a green confirmation box in the top right corner of the screen. If you get a red alert box, please revalidate the credentials and settings you entered. Once you've done that, you'll see we've automatically turned on these settings that you'll use when exporting contacts. Under Mapping, you'll be able to determine how you want the SalesIntel fields to be mapped into Marketo. Simply go through the list and select an option from the drop-down menu. This is also where you'll be able to select custom fields. Once everything is set correctly, click Save to ensure your changes are kept. To export contacts to Marketo, simply select the contacts you want and go into Bulk Actions, then select Export to Marketo. After that, SalesIntel will then check to see if the selected contacts already exist in Marketo and will dedupe any duplicate contacts. Once you've selected an option, click Next and you'll see that those contacts have successfully exported to Marketo.